Hello everyone. So now in this video, we will see about how we can just change this name, right? Here you can see here's a level 1, level 2, then here level 5, level 6. So if we just wanted a uniform name for all, then we can just change this name, right? So for that, let's see here is a level 1. I just wanted to make it as a uh, ground floor. So for that, I will just right click here and see this kind of window will open up. From here you can see here is a rename option. Just click on the rename. From here I will just type here the ground floor. Right, now just press enter. So see, this kind of pop-up will come up. Here it is asking you, would you like to rename corresponding level and views? So basically it is saying these are the levels, right? So it is saying here we are changing it as a level 1. So do we need to change here also? So always we have to select the no. Why? Let me first let me click on the yes. I will tell you why. If I just click on the yes, so you can see here is the ground floor, and here also you can see the ground floor. But these are the levels. Levels are the commons for basically for the structure family, for the architecture family, for the coordination, for the plumbing, for the all basically we can say for the floor plans, for the ceiling plans. Basically we can say. The levels are common for all. So we just can't change the name of the basically this level, right? So now rename this one level 2. Just right click here and just click on the rename. From here you can just type FIRST floor, first floor, and you just press enter, and you just need to click on the no. So you can see only in the floor plan you have renamed it, right? So in this way you can just effectively organize your project browser.